So there is a Manx Norton, a 350 Manx Norton, no less. An M40. So this is the Norton shed, and there's one or two Nortons in here. Only a 350. The old Dominator, twin, 500 twin. Norton Triumph. John Player Norton. Not allowed to advertise them anymore, are you? Norton Heale. Model F 350. A Motorbikes V8. Wow, 8 cylinders. But that was a handful. Look at the work that's gone into that. Dry clutch as well. Oh, the famed Ducati 900 SS. Only problem with them was the electrics. The rest of the bike was pretty cool. That's a very, very nice example. Sort the electrics out and it's an awesome bike. Some rare beasts in here. A 1952 18 Gold Flash. Get a load of that.
Yeah, okay, that's all right.
Moving on to an A7, 500.
Yeah. Brilliant. Got you.
And a B33. Well, there's some rare old racing bikes in here. Baltica TSS 125. Wow. Matchless G50 500. So we're in the 250s at the moment. Ah. Joey Dunlop's from 1992. A 125 GP racer. Another Works Honda, 1963. Royal Enfield, 250. Cotton Telstar, blimey. It's another 125. Honda from 62. And Harley Davidson. Ah. A 50cc from 1963. Oh, Fanny Barnett. Francis Barnett, Brooklands racer. An 850 Yamaha. There's a bit of bike missing in that. Some rare old beasts in here, I can tell you. There's a 4-cylinder there. Don't say what it is. BSA, MC1. Another dry clutch. Husqvarna. Hello, Reg. Java. A 69. Ex-Works bike. Blimey. 354 cylinder. 2-stroke at that. A Thruxton 500 Royal Enfield. 58, that's as old as I am. 67-year-old, look at it. Looks in better shape than me. And there he is, Mike Elwood. A DKW 1958 3-cylinder, 350, 2-stroke, 5-speed gearbox, 6-gallon fuel tank. Now that's interesting, look at that. So they've got a cylinder down there, and then they've got 2 cylinders up there. Got 1 carburettor at the front, 2 at the back. That is a rare old piece of kit, that is. Number 9, Scrum Half bike. There's a Mike Hayward Honda from 1967, 500. (1972) Sealy G50. Yamaha TA 1978 125. Another Yamaha, a 250, 2-stroke. A 1954 BMW RS54 Rin Sports 500. Flat twin. There's a rocket. And a Harley Davidson. The old Suzuki GT or RG 500. That one's the Mark IV. And who rode that one? Barry Sheen. Or he rode similar. So there's a slightly later model, RG 500, Mark V, in 1981. Four-cylinder, two-stroke. Amazing bit of kit. Savage once you get past 6,000 revs. That's a 1979. And look at the profile on that. And then we'll come over to this one, and this is a 1981. And look at the difference of the profile on that one. So if you want an old typewriter or an old radio still working, or sewing machines, suppose they go together, don't they? Sewing machines and motorbikes. I know they had one. That's a Vincent Black Shadow. Worth an absolute fortune. I think that's as close as I'm going to get to the Rudge Ulster Sport Special 500cc's. Mine had a longer seat on it. Sure it did. So this is a 1938. I think mine had a different seat configuration on it, but I think that is pretty much like the Rudge Ulster that I had. That's the other side of the Rudge. So I've got a 1962 250 Ariel Golden Arrow. Got Ariel Leader 250 from 59, two-stroke. And then you've got the old Square 4, 1000cc Square 4. And I had a habit of overeating and seizing. There's a 500 Ariel. And a 1936 650 or 600. And there's a 54 Square 4. Amazing.
Yellow, red, white.
Don't know, let's have a look. This is some bit of kit, isn't it? That's a V8 in that. It's got a V8 in it.
Oh, they're football.
That's a V8. I mean, that is outrageous. That is bizarre. I think that's why not? Love it. That's the most outrageous bike I've ever seen, I think. It's got a V8 in it. Absolute V8. Amazing bit of kit. Got a water bottle, fire extinguisher, twin shots or quadruple shots at the back, massive wide tyres, 4 seats, brilliant bit of kit. And it's an automatic.
Okay.
So this one here is probably the most expensive bike they got in here. A V4 AJS. Just look at that. That is something else. Outrageous. This bike is something totally else, something outrageously special, unique. V4 supercharged, water cooled, and it holds a massive record. So there's the old, the AA motorbike and sidecar. You've got to have your motorbike and sidecar combination. And there's a police BSA. A 1936 Ariel Square 4 600cc with a sidecar. Outrageous. It's lovely, isn't it?